If you've never used wool dryer balls, you are in for a treat. If you get a really good quality one like these, they will last forever and they do so many great things. To start off with, they take care of that static electricity. Throw a couple of these in your load and you do not need dryer sheets. This will take care of that for you. And if you miss the smell that you had in dryer sheets, what's amazing about these is you can just add a little essential oil to them. Just put a couple drops on one of the balls and it will add that smell to your load. So you have full control over the smell of your load and how strong you want that to be by how much essential oil you put on a dryer ball. And finally, these improve the efficiency of your dryer. They definitely will keep the clothing floofing as it's going through, which will make the dryer load run faster. Now, there are cons to these, and the main con is that they're kind of noisy. They definitely bang around in your dryer. So if you have a space where your dryer is right next to you, or you work from home and you don't want to listen to that, these might not be the right fit for you. Now, they will not actually last forever. They will, over time, finally start to get too fuzzy and fall apart, but I have used these, I don't know, hundreds of times, and they are still looking great. They are a little fuzzier than when I first got them, but they still do exactly what I want. They still take care of my loads, and I feel great about using them for my family, and I love how well they help me dry my clothing. So I definitely recommend them. I personally think that everyone should have at least 2 of these.